John Mueller has tweeted as a joke apart that the multiple USB chargers cannot help you to reach the moon. इट मीन्स कि अगर आप बहुत सारा USB चार्जर ले लेते हैं तो वो आपको हेल्प नहीं करेगा कि आप चंद्रमा तक पहुंच जाए। इसी तरह से उन्होंने ये साफ साफ किया हुआ है, साफ साफ बताया हुआ है कि जो हाई वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कंटेंट है वो आपके ब्लॉग को, वो आपके वेबसाइट को कभी भी हेल्प नहीं कर सकते कि वो आपको टॉप रैंकिंग दिला दे। हाय, आई एम गौरव, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कंसल्टेंट एंड ट्रेनर since 2013, and in this video I would like to tell you all about the word count in search engine optimization. So most of the search engine optimization executive and the person who are working in search engine optimization, they think that the word count is a ranking factor in search engine optimization. If the word count of your blog or the word count of your website is too long, then it's a maximum possibility to get higher ranking in search engine result page. So is it true? We will discuss about it, that does word count matters in search engine optimization to get higher ranking. So before discussing these all things, I would like to tell you one thing, that in 2012 was found that if you write any blog with 1500 words, then it's sufficient to get ranking in search engine result page. But when you get interacted with the latest and recent blogs where the search advocate John Mueller had told that the word count is not so much important factor to get ranking in Google SERP. According to the John Mueller, he told it that there must be some length, but doesn't matter if your content contains higher volume of the words, then only Google will consider that for the ranking in SERP. It doesn't matter. So what he has explained in his tweets, he has explained that check whatever websites are getting good rank in the search engine result page. Just check any keywords and filter the website which are getting maximum higher ranking, and you will find that those contents are not too much long. If those contents are not too much long, then why you are considering that maximum volume of the words, the blog which is having the maximum volume of the words, that will only get the higher ranking in the search engine result page. So the John Mueller has clearly described that first check the any keyword in search engine, then list all those websites which are getting the higher ranking in SERP, like the website which is ranking on the top position, second position, third position, fourth positions. Check the content. If the content volume is too much higher there, it's more than 2000 words, more than 2500 words, then you can consider that yes, we require higher volume of the words in our content in our website to get ranking in the Google. But you will see there are many websites which is not having the too much content, but they are ranking in the Google in the first page, in the top 5. So it clears that the word count doesn't matter for the ranking factors. If we have the good word count but don't have the relevant content, then it may affect your ranking. You cannot get the good ranking in Google. So the only word count is not the factor of the ranking in search engine optimization. So what should be there along with the word count? So there must be the relevancy, there must be the subtitles, good headings, subtitles, all the things should be there which can engage your users. In the indirectly way, if we talk that does higher volume of the content help you to boost your ranking in Google, then yes, indirectly it will help you, because indirectly it will engage people, and if the people are staying on your website, it means your bounce rate is getting normal. It means your bounce rate is decreasing, and if your bounce rate is decreasing, then Google considers that the content which is available on your website has too much relevancy with the query. And according to all machine learning systems, if your content matches with the query, the Google starts ranking your website in the top ranking. And one most important factor, one most important update you must have been listened, that there is a phrase ranking words. Like if the all content of your website is not too much relevant with the query, then Google can give your phrase rank in SERP. It means that if any query is asked with the Google and your website contains the exact answer of that query, then Google can rank your that phrase only. Whenever you click on that particular URL, then it will be redirect with that paragraph, that phrase which is highlighted with the yellow color. So at the last, I would like to tell you that word count doesn't matter. Only word count doesn't matter to get the higher ranking in SERP. So along with the word count, you will have to structure all the contents. You will have to structure the formats of the contents, that what is it, what are the subheadings, what are the keywords relevancy. So all the things you will have to mention here. whatever elements we choose for the on-page optimizations, we will have to work on that also. We will have to work on backlinks also. Alone word count cannot give you a higher ranking. In next video, we will meet with another topic of search engine optimization or any word of the digital marketing. So keep updated with the channel. Thank you.